Hi! In front of me is Hotwav T5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. First of all, you need to locate Recorder app and click on it. Then, before starting recording, select this gear at the bottom left corner. Now adjust all of those options however you want to, and when you're done, go back. To start recording, click on red button at the bottom in the middle and select Allow in all pop-ups. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same middle button. If you wish to delete it right away, use Bit this pin on the left and confirm your choice in the pop-up. In order to end it and save it though, tap on the check mark on the right. Now name your recording however you want to and click Save. To access list of your recordings, you need to tap on this button at the bottom right corner when recording is completely off. Now to listen to it, click on the chosen one. If you wish to delete it, go back. Sorry, misclick. Hold it instead of tapping on it and choose Delete in the pop-up. Lastly, confirm your choice in the second one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!